You ever go to put an engine in a vehicle and then you wind up fighting with it, and you fight with it and fight with it, can't get it to line up and trying to figure out what's going on? I've done it, and I'll tell you what's going on. A lot of times it's a block dowel. Let me show you. So here's the motor that we're putting in my truck. It's a 5.3. I put a little bit of grease on the block dowels because they're the ones that center it in the transmission. Now, I just pulled the motor out of my truck, and it's right here. This is it, 5.3. It's got 250,000 miles on it, but it loses oil pressure. So I figured instead of messing with it right now, I'm going to save this motor and go through it later, because it does run excellent, but it's got an oil pressure issue. It loses oil pressure and it starts tapping like crazy. There's a block dowel. What? It's missing. Where'd it go? Well, it's stuck in the tranny. And let me show you. It's right there. So now, can you imagine if you didn't pay attention to that and you go to bolt this thing in place? You'd be butt up against one another, those two block dowels, trying to get the motor to line up. And you know, of course, when you're trying to do it, you can't really see that. You can't see that up against a firewall and everything else. It's just a nightmare. So now you just created a huge problem for yourself. So much easier to look at stuff now and figure it out, because if you've got to fight with it later, it's not fun. So that's what I'm going to be messing with right now. I'm going to get that out, and this way I can get the other motor ready to go in. So that's it for right now. If you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.